Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys, and the name of the vendor that I'm working with today is So Good Hair. This is the 13x6 Kinky Curly front wig. It is 180 density and it is 22 inches. So let's get into the details of this video. So the hair came in this box, as you can see, and inside of the box is the wig, of course, duh, and of course elastic band, a wig cap, eyelashes, and yeah. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. As you can see, it comes pre-plucked. The lace is very tiny, sorry, the knots are very tiny, which makes it very easy to bleach and makes it look really natural. And this is the inside of the cap. As you can see, it has two combs at the front, a deep 6 inches of parting space, and of course a comb and an elastic adjustable strap at the back. And yes, this is what the wig looks like. It is very full. It is an amazing wig, guys. Okay, so now I am just going in. I bleached the knots, as you can see, and now I'm going in with my tailored crown lace tint to tint the lace of the wig to match my skin, and I'm using almond. I'm gonna leave the link down on the info section as well, guys. It is this lace tint, it is amazing. Okay, if when you tint the lace of your wig, it makes it look more natural. Just find what works for you, like the color that works for you, okay, that matches your skin tone pretty much. So although the wig came pre-plucked, I am just going in to pluck the wig a little more, and this is it after plucking. Now I'm going with my low body foam wrap. I just want to like slick the edges backward a little bit. I was actually going for a no baby hair look, but at the end of the day I changed my mind. But anyways, I am just going in with the low body foam wrap now, and I am just sleeking the end. That's it. Nothing out of the ordinary. So yes, now I'm just going in with my water. I have just water in that bottle, nothing else, and I'm just spraying it all over the hair to define the curls. Guys, this hair is amazing. This hair is really amazing. Shedding is very minimal and it is very full in the curl pattern. I love it. I really love this hair and I recommend this vendor. This is my first time working with this vendor and I am so in love with the hair. As you can see, the hair is so gorgeous and it looks really pretty. So yes, so now this is me going in to lay my wig. But yes, so I actually just started using the Got to Be spray. Y'all know I've always been a glueless person. Like I've always worn my wigs 100% glueless, no gel, no Got to Be spray, or none of that good stuff. Okay, so I decided, I think this is like the third video that I am trying the Got to Be spray. And guys, I'm gonna say I am still struggling. Okay, I am still struggling. So yes, it's not perfect yet, but I'm getting there. And you know, like I said in my last video, y'all just need to grow with me, okay? Just be patient, and I'm still trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work and all of that stuff. So yes, so anyways, yeah, this is what I'm just doing. It's nothing out of the ordinary. Of course, it's not something you haven't seen from other 25,000 YouTubers or something. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm just going in with my Got to Be gel, and I'm sorry, spray, not the gel. And I am just spraying it around my hairline and just using my blow dryer. I use my blow dryer on cool before I put the lace on top of the spray. But usually when I put the lace on top of the spray, I use warm because that warm melts the spray more into the lace. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yes, this is pretty much what I am doing. So I'm just going in now with my rat tail comb to just, you know, stick the lace down so it can melt right into my skin. Yes, I did struggle a lot. This is my third video using the gel. Like I said, I struggled a lot, and there's something about the Got to Be spray that I don't really like. It just drips a lot. Like it's so runny. It's kind of like water. So when you spray, it just starts to run down that's always like a pain for me. And that's the thing. So I am thinking I'm probably gonna try the gel. I know this dries faster and the gel doesn't, so I don't really know, but I'm gonna try the gel and see what works for me. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out what works for me and what doesn't. Okay, so y'all just be patient with me, grow with me, and in time I know I'm gonna be perfect. Once I find out what works for me, yes, I'm gonna stick to it. But yeah, the thing with the spray, got to be spray or gel, it's really amazing. It just makes your wig sit differently. I've never been a fan, but I just started it and I'm really loving it. Like I said before, it's a lot of work. Like, it's a whole lot of work. Okay, you have to be patient. You have to be patient when you're learning this. It's a whole lot of work, but it's usually very pretty. Like, it lays your wig in a different kind of way. Okay, so yes, this is what I just did, and as you can see, this hair is fire. Okay, like fire, point blank, period. It is so full, it is just gorgeous. Okay, so like I said before, the name of the vendor is So Good Hair. This is their 13x6 Kinky Curly lace front wig. It is 22 inches and it's 180 density. And everything about this wig is going to be down on the info section. Be sure to click on it if there's any coupon codes or any sale going on or whatever. You know, if they have any discount for you, everything is going to be down on the info section. So be sure to click on it. Thank you all so much for watching. Until my next video, deuces.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.